What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the jumping animation using the Meta AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to create the content and you need the jump animation or jumping animation, however, if you find the difficulties to create or save or having the asset, don't worry guys, because this Meta AI can help you out. So you can start to visit this Meta AI, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get a more spacious view. And also don't forget, if you would like to access this Meta AI, you can also do the login, whether that from your Instagram account or Instagram email or via Facebook guys, because still that this Meta AI is in the still one company or in one management. And this is the look when you have already done the login or the home page, and you don't find any settings over here, because this Meta AI will also create you instantly the animation or picture that you want. So if you scroll down, and you will find the result of another user, which is looks very beautiful and also look realistic. So you can start to put your simple prompts into this section. For example, like this. Create the 4D jumping animation for the text of this jump, for example. And also the animation is for the opening video. And you can also add more details. It's way better if you put the details, like the jump would be in the orange color font, for example. Orange. And make the jumping animation looks, let's say, cheerful, for example, like this. And after that, you can continue to click send and kindly wait for the result. And as you can see, when you would like to create this animation via Meta AI, so this will create you 4 examples that related to this prompt or for sample. And as you can see, this is the example that will be presented. And also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. So I will show you the result that I got before by using this simple prompt without adding the details. For example, this is the animation of someone who is jumping. Like this, and also a lot of, or surrounded by these skyscrapers. Or this is the another jump animation. Jump, go up, like this, or this one, or this one. It's kind of that this every single word of jump over here have the turn to jump up like that. And also this is the another result. So you can create this animation of your own by your prompt, and it can be also suitable for your, let's say, for the content. And for example, I would like to use this one or open this one. and I start to fall in love with this one. It's kind of the endless jumping. And let's check it out about this output. It's kind of the walking video or walking animation of jump word or jump text. And this is the last one. So which one do you prefer? If you prefer one of this one, then you can start to download it like this. And after that, this animation will officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Meta AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.